This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carpenter P. ABR, CRS, ePRO. Rarely available great room floor plan in the sought-after community of the cottages at Pelican Landing. This home is the perfect size for your Florida home, not too big and just the right size when company comes. The two spacious bedrooms are very private, and the den/office can also work as a spill-over guest bedroom when needed. Everyone wants the southern exposure for the pool area to have sunlight all day long, and this home has golf preserve views with southern exposure. Master suite is huge with tray ceiling, crown molding and sitting area and two large walk-in closets. And the master bath is a spa-like setting with his and her separate vanities and makeup area. Fully tiled master shower and separate soaking tub. The separate guest bedroom has adjoining bath and offers total privacy for your guests. The den/office provides privacy for the owner working on business calls and has a sleeper sofa for those overflow guests. Formal dining is great for those large family holidays or neighborhood get-togethers, and the breakfast area is perfect for those regular days when the convenience of the adjoining dining area is close to the kitchen. The gourmet in the family will love this kitchen with the ever-popular sunny white cabinets and Corian counters with plenty of storage. All cottage homes have one side yard that is theirs, and you can design it as you want it to be, either hanging orchids all around and make it your own orchid jungle, or a more planned landscaped area with lounge chairs and umbrella table for additional living area. You decide. Pelican Landing is a 2,400-acre community nestled along US 41 in the Estero Bay. Pelican Landing has the most amenities for the lowest master HOA of any community in Lee or Collier counties. Pelican Landing is the only community that owns its own 34-acre private beach island with private boat shuttle to and from the island and attendants to set up the beach chairs and umbrellas. Also included in the amenities are 12 tennis courts with a full-time tennis director, state-of-the-art fitness center, bocce ball, pickleball, canoe and kayak center, and miles of biking and jogging trails. Pelican's Nest Golf Club has 36 holes of championship golf designed by Tom Fazio, and there are golf and social memberships available with a short wait list. Brand new roof in 2023. Your Florida home awaits. For more information, review the details below or contact Carpenter P. ABR, CRS, ePRO at 239-246-3316.